Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what you run and why that matters. Check the OS version, write it down, some fixes differ by release. Next, restart the device now. A full power off, wait 10 seconds, then power on. Once done, go into Settings, open Control Center, and verify which modules are present and whether gestures are enabled. If a control is missing, add it here. If toggles stay gray, record that symptom so you can target the next steps precisely. Now you dig into causes beyond simple toggles, because conflicts often hide in settings or apps. Start by toggling accessibility options, voiceover, assistive touch, off and on to see if responsiveness returns. If controls tied to network or streaming fail, reset network settings after backing up credentials. Once done, test in safe mode or a clean user profile to rule out third-party apps. This isolates whether an installed app hijacks gestures or consumes resources. Make notes of any consistent failures as they guide the final fixes. You finish by applying durable remedies. Install any pending system update or reinstall the OS using recovery tools. Always back up before you proceed. If the control center still misbehaves, restore settings to clear corrupted preference caches without erasing data. Once done, re-enable your preferred controls and retest gestures. If nothing works, perform a factory reset as the final measure, then restore selectively. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.